Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord. My wife started cracking the whip and has got me doing some deep spring cleaning. I'm talking major purge of stuff that's been accumulating for probably close to 20 years. Man, I got so many freaking boxes in the basement that are set to come out, and a huge freaking dumpster that we're probably gonna fill up. I can't believe it. Here we go. And the question is, if I have spring cleaning or other household chores, can I find a way to use the Ventrac? And the answer is absolutely yes. So this is gonna serve a couple purposes. For one, this is gonna be sort of a shuttle. Take all the heavy boxes from the basement, bring them on out, put them in the dumpster, and is gonna serve as a sort of a trash compactor. Just push and squeeze and squish everything as far into that dumpster as absolutely possible, making the most of every available square inch in that thing. Yeah, baby. Woo! Ain't gonna get much more compacted than that unless I ram it. I ain't doing that. Nice and slow and steady. Why am I having so much fun? This should be illegal. This is so much fun. So when my wife asked me how it's going today with the spring cleaning, I'm gonna have to tell her, oh babe, it's just awful. I can't believe you got me doing this. This is terrible. And try to keep a straight face. But she's gonna watch this video, so she's gonna know how much fun I'm having. And there's a Black Hawk. Spent a lot of time in those babies. Wonder what he's doing here. Maybe he's stopping by to pick me up. It's like the good old days. Held on to this box for a long time. If you guys can see it, this is an L86 from the British Army. It's a bullpup style support rifle. For those who don't know, I served in the Army for over a decade, and part of that time I served with the British soldiers, among that of many other NATO countries, and I got to shoot one of these. Well, this is one of my all-time favorite gifts from my wife. She got this for me for my birthday over 10 years ago. For those of you, well, I'm into real guns, and I'm also into a lot of airsoft stuff. So I have some pretty top-end stuff. Oh, here we go. I got stuff from Crytek and stuff from Umbrella. Super freaking awesome, but I haven't played an airsoft match in I don't know how many years, and I don't really know anyone local to me that I already know that would want to come out and join me. And yeah, anyway. Whew. Having fun yet? Actually, yes. Yes, I am. But you got to make it seem like it's a chore. I mean, come on. I do the dishes often. I do the laundry. I know that Susie absolutely does not like doing the laundry, so I do the laundry. Yeah, I'm cool like that.